There are 4 fountains, but the equipment has been combined for 2 fountains. So there are 3 equipment rooms where we have, and we completed everything. Only 1 fountain is a cosmetic situation that they're also doing the cosmetic work on that, but they are all ready. Well, this is how it was designed by the architect, and we take the architectural drawing and make it work. And that was our job, to design the hydraulics and also support with the electrical and electronics to make it happen. It is an interactive fountain. Actually, it's a kind of play fountain. Children can play in there, and it works with the program. It is already programmed with the computer, and also people can go and enjoy the water. We have lights at night, but the fountain remains the same, but you have a luxury to adjust it any height you want. We have a filter pump, we have a operational pump, which feature pump, which operates the fountain, and also it's supported by the wind control. That also is controlled by the velocity of the wind, how fast it's flowing, and it's going to control the fountains. So we are recirculating the water, so it's a minimum amount of use of water. You don't waste too much water, so we recirculate it.